English-Hungarian. I would like, equals.
Szeretnék.
Welcome to Synapse Lingo. Hey you, ready to order like a pro in Hungarian? Let's have some fun. This podcast is brought to you by Synapse Lingo, your friendly guide to languages. Visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more resources, freebies, and practice. Today's superpower phrase is, I would like, which in Hungarian is.
Szeretnék.
Your goal today. You'll nail one polite opener and use it everywhere. In English, I would like. In Hungarian,
Szeretnék.
think of it as a polite key that unlocks service. Add a smile, maybe.
Kérem.
For please, and you're golden. Mini dialogue at the cafe. Imagine yourself at a Budapest cafe, no panic, just vibes. Barista.
Mit hozhatok?
What can I bring you? You. I would like, a coffee, please. In Hungarian.
Szeretnék, egy kávét, kérem.
Robot waiter whirs, freezes, then hears.
Szeretnék.
And springs to life, excellent choice. You. I would like, a cappuccino. In Hungarian.
Szeretnék, egy cappuccinót, kérem.
Barista. Big smile, bonus cookie. Because you started with.
Szeretnék.
Forms and politeness. Speak soft, get stuff, speak blunt, maybe not. Polite base.
Szeretnék.
Equals I would like. Extra polite. Add.
Kérem.
Equals please. Too direct.
Akarok.
Can sound demanding, skip it when ordering. Negation.
Nem szeretnék.
Equals I would not like. Question style.
Kaphatok.
Equals can I have. Useful money line.
Fizetni szeretnék.
Equals I'd like to pay. Quick drills. Repeat after me and fill the blank out loud. Echo this. I would like, a coffee, please. Now say it in Hungarian.
Szeretnék, egy kávét, kérem.
At the counter. I would like, 2 tickets. In Hungarian.
Szeretnék, 2 jegyet.
Polite opener reminder. Start with I would like, then add the item. In Hungarian. Begin with.
Szeretnék.
Then the item. Table wish. I would like, a table by the window. In Hungarian.
Szeretnék, egy ablak melletti asztalt.
Paying. Say.
Fizetni szeretnék.
For, I'd like to pay. Contrast check. Avoid.
Akarok.
Choose.
Szeretnék.
Plus.
Kérem.
Culture tip. Coffee house magic. A tiny phrase opens big doors. In classic Budapest coffee houses, starting with.
Szeretnék.
Signals calm courtesy, like wearing a polite tuxedo made of coffee aroma. Memory trick. Think, sir, I'd like. Zaret.
Szeretnék.
Beware the false friend.
Szeretnék.
Equals I would like, but.
Szeretlek.
Equals I love you, save that for date night, not the barista. Use.
Szeretnék.
And the universe might toss in a surprise cookie. Speed quiz. Answer fast, say it out loud. Q. How do you say, I would like, in Hungarian? A.
Szeretnék.
Q. True or false?
Szeretnék.
Is a polite way to order. A. True. Q. Fill the blank, a tea, please. A.
Szeretnék.
Q. Make it negative politely. A.
Nem szeretnék.
Q. Ask, can I have, in Hungarian? A.
Kaphatok.
Your speaking challenge. Let's play pretend and talk it out. Challenge 1. At a bakery, order a pastry, start with.
Szeretnék.
Add the item, finish with.
Kérem.
Challenge 2. Ticket office role play, say, I would like 2 tickets. In Hungarian.
Szeretnék 2 jegyet.
Challenge 3. Cash out, say.
Fizetni szeretnék.
Then add a thanks.
Köszönöm.
Rhythm tip. Clap on 2 and 4 while saying.
Szeretnék.
To lock the phrase in. Picture a neon sign at your Memory Palace cafe glowing.
Szeretnék.
Wrap up. You did great, high five through the headphones. Thanks for listening. Keep practicing. I would like equals.
Szeretnék.
Whenever you order or make polite requests. This episode was brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more lessons, drills, and freebies. Keep it kind, add.
Kérem.
And you'll get smiles for days.